You have been wanting to create a NFT collection or to just create some single NFTs, but you really didn't want to put in the work, or you didn't have time to use hours and hours on making the art, maybe putting some code together. Then this is the right video for you, because today I'm going to show you some AI that can actually create some nice NFT art. And the crazy thing about this is I haven't seen this kind of NFT art before. It's really unique and so crazy. It looks really great. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end and see how we can get the AI to create some NFT art and then turn it into NFTs. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe as always, guys. That helps me out too. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, before the video starts, one last thing. I want to shout out this guy, the AI Whisperer. He made a video about this AI bot that is going to create the NFT art, and he really focused on the art part of this whole thing. So I, through him, I found this code, but we are going to focus on the NFT part now and how to turn it into an NFT. So shout out to this guy though, but now let's just begin. Okay, so we need the website where we can create this, and this is this website. I will link it down below so that you guys don't have to put in this long code. But yeah, it will be linked down below, and then you can go over there to do it yourself. So, now that we are here, we have to set some things up first for the AI to create some piece of art. So what we want to do first is we have to go through these 5 different steps to actually make the AI be able to create some nice art for us. So the first step is just here, download the required Python packages, and that is pretty easy. We have to go here, just click Shift Enter, and then we will just say okay. Now it's going to load, and it might take some time, but we are just gonna wait. Just like that, we have the first step completed. Now we go on and go on here. Now we just wait again. Just, one step after the other one. And this might take some time, a couple of minutes, some seconds. It really depends on what kind of computer you have or what kind of system you're running. So let that just load, and then we will see. As you guys can see, the installing is finished now. It took me like 1 minute to do it. It might take you some more time or only a few seconds, but that really depends, as I said. And then we are just going to move on. Okay, now here's the interesting part. It's the choose model to download. And that is where we can choose what kind of thing we want to do. And as you guys can see, this image net 12384 is selected, and as you guys can see, the creator of this code and website said that this is probably the best one, so we are going to try it with this too. But I know that some other things, it really depends on what you're trying to do. I think when you select this S Flickr, then it's going to search up some images of heads, so that is specific for if you are trying to recreate some kind of faces and that stuff. But yeah, so we're just going to try to do it with this. So I just selected it, and now we're just going to run it, and it has to download some things. And yeah, okay, this is finished now. So yeah, as you guys can see, we are going to move on, and that is the download libraries for neural network section. And that is just, we have to download these assets the algorithm is going to use. So just click that, and yeah, just like that, it completed. Now here comes the interesting part. Here we will we have some text. We can choose the height and width, obviously, and the kind of text we use is actually connected to the image that it's going to combine and create. So if you, for example, say fantasy world. Fantasy world, yeah, just if you just say fantasy world, then it's going to create a nice fantasy world. So let's just try that for now. And yeah, so I'm just going to say, yeah, hide with, that's fine. Model, yeah, we are not going to change anything with that. But this is great, so we are just going to say run that and let that generate the art. So now it's a lot of waiting again, but we will see what this code comes up with. Hopefully a nice image. And don't be thrown off by this first image here. It takes some time, so just wait and be patient. That's not how it's going to look. As you guys can see, it's slowly getting better and better, and I think this looks great already. So yeah, just wait and let it do its work. And this looks great already, and now if you're satisfied with the version right here, you can just click it, control, and then just save the image, and then just like that, this should be saved, this picture, and then we can click up here to pause this thing. And boom. Now let's maybe try it again to see if it generates a different one, what it should, obviously. And then we can maybe just add a word, fantasy world with something like that. And now we're just gonna let it run again. So we are just going to see that, and you can let this code run again and again, and just like that you can basically create your NFT collection and get multiple nice NFT artworks out of this. That's the thing about this, I haven't seen many NFTs that look just like this, so this is kind of unique. And not many people out there have NFTs that look like this. So with that, we are kind of introducing a new art style to this NFT game. And if you get a really nice generated picture, this could sell for a couple of $100 or even thousands. So this is just great. But now let's see if it's generating another one. And as you guys can see, this already looks just great, and it's completely different to the first one. So yeah, I will just let it run some more minutes and then we will see what it created. And as you guys can see, this looks absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to save it right here because I'm really satisfied with how it looks. I even think that it looks better than the first one that we created. So just go here. Now we just gonna click Control Save Image again and going to say 3, and just like that we have this image saved too. So now we have 2 NFT paintings ready to go. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I have my 2 pieces of art right here on my desktop now. First we got this nice dreamy one, and then we got a dreamy one with a landscape, and I think they both look really nice. And now to turn it into an NFT, all we have to do is go to OpenSea. So I just logged in with my MetaMask, and then we are on OpenSea. And now what we want to do is go up here and create. If you just want to create a normal NFT, then you just click on create, or we can create a new collection first. So we're just going to create a collection. Now we create a collection, so we just click that, and here we're just going to put in some basic things, just easy. So just choose the logo image, call it Dreamy Dreams, whatever you come up with, and then we are just going to say create. Now we have our collection created and can add some items. So now we want to get our images in here. First we got this one, just like that. Wow, this looks really beautiful, and I think this could really get some people to buy it. So now we just call it dreamy world #1 because it's the first one, and then we can just add a little description. You guys know that, just put in something that describes this picture, all that stuff, and then we can just, we don't really have properties, so just get the collection Dreamy Dreams here, and then just leave this out and say we are going to do it on Polygon, supply 1, and then we can just click on create. And as simple as that, we have this AI generated NFT or NFT collection. Just upload your created images and then you are ready to go with this collection. And yeah, this is just absolutely lovely to see. And as I said before, not many people out there have this kind of art. It's really unique and it's high quality. So I really think you could get some sales of this. So don't sleep on this. If you're trying it, it's super easy. Just let the code do it for you. You don't have to draw anything. It's simple, it's nice, it's a new concept, and it can make you a lot of money. So maybe try that if you're trying to make a new NFT collection. And yeah, now we're just gonna call it Dreamy World #2. Then our basic info again, collection, obviously Dreamy Dreams, blockchain, Etherium, Polygon, and then create. And just like that, we have 2 NFTs created in our collection Dreamy Dreams. And this is just really nice that it's so simple. So, and I could go on and on with hundreds of these pictures that this AI bot is going to create for me. And then I would have a collection of thousands or hundreds of NFTs. And that is just great because I didn't even put in work, but this bot did it for me. And this is the easiest way to create some nice quality NFTs in 2022. So if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If there's anything you're uncertain of, then just hit me up in the comment section. I try to reply to as many comments as I can, and then I will try to help you out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end, and I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye.